Moi! My name is Emmy and I'm here to teach you Finnish. If you're confused about the Finnish vowels, then this is the right place for you. Why do we say talossa? Why is it not talossa? Often it's not so serious if you get it wrong, but it will just make a big difference in your pronunciation. As you can see, we have 3 different colors here, and there's a reason for that. The red ones, a, o, and u. They are called back vowels, as opposed to the green ones, which are called front vowels, a, u. Now, if you compare them to each other, a and a often confused with each other. A is pronounced in the back of your mouth, compared to a, which is more towards the front. You can try it yourself. A, 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 a. So your tongue moves a little bit from back to front when you move from back vowel to front vowel. And then we have o and ö. O, it's in the back of your mouth. Ö, towards the front of your mouth. O, ö. And then, this is my favorite, u and u. If you look at my mouth, when I pronounce both of them, you can't see much difference. U, 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 u. But what's happening is that my tongue is moving. So when I say the back vowel, u, my tongue is towards the back, u, and then I move it to the front, u, u, u. The yellow ones are neutral, so keep that in mind. The neutral vowels I and E can be combined with both front and back vowels in a word. Minä, nenä, kevyt, mekko, sisu, kiva. But remember, the vowel of the ending will still be determined by the presence of front and back vowels. For example, nenässä, in the nose. Nenässä, nenä has an a already. Kivassa, so kiva has an a at the end, which means the ending will have a as well. If the word only has neutral vowels, then the ending will have a. For example, peli, pelissä, rivi, rivissä, perhe, perheessä. The rule of thumb is that back vowels like to hang out with other back vowels. And front vowels like to hang out with the front vowels. So when you have a word like talo, and you want to say in the house, talossa, there's no way that if you know how it's spelled, as in T-A-L-O, there's no way the ending is going to have a. It's the vowel harmony. So if you have a in the word, you can be pretty sure that the ending is going to have a as well. So T-A-L-O-S-S-A. Sänky. How would you spell it? S-A-N-K-Y. And you want to say in bed. In the bed. Which one do you choose? Remember, it has a and it has u, so no question about it. Sängyssä. The most important thing is to get used to the vowels, to get used to recognizing them so that you get it right from the start. So you spell it sänky and not sanku. Why does this vowel harmony exist in Finnish? It's easier to pronounce. It's very hard for a Finn to pronounce a word with a with u at the end. So that's why it's not sänku. It doesn't, there's a long way from a front vowel to the back vowel, so you can't say sänku. So we avoid it by putting a front vowel at the end as well. Does that make sense? Okay, but what about words like olympialaiset or psykologia and labyrintti? They have both front and back vowels in the same word. Well, they are loan words, lainasanoja, which means that they've come from another language quite recently, so not originally Old Finnish words. So if you start paying attention to Finnish words, you might notice that when you have a word like lakana, if you can recognize one vowel there, if it's a back vowel, then it's not going to be mixed with the front vowels. So lakana just has a. You don't put an a in it. If it's a compound noun, yes, because then you combine two different words, you don't go messing with those. What about the word metsä? It has a neutral vowel, yes, but it also has a, which is a front vowel. So when you want to say in the forest, you say metsässä. There's no way you can put a back vowel there, so you have to put an a. I hope that was useful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And make sure that you check out my website and blog at www.thinkingclub.com. I hope to see you there. Tervetuloa! Moikka!